Goal 17, Partnerships for the Goals, seem to involve Dana's 5 C's: commitment, communication, compassion, consciousness, and celebration. I'd argue for a sixth: collaboration. Partnerships are vital if we want to make any sort of change in our lives. No one succeeds, learns, grows, and benefits the world alone.
I love those words, Sheila. The world is truly an interconnected place through a complex web of social, technological, political, and industrial layers, yet many individuals and regions do not have access to technology, education, and basic resources necessary for sustainable development. This goal heavily focuses on the values you stated, as well as improving access to technology and knowledge systems, access to official development assistance, coordinating policies, and promoting investment in the least developed to encourage and sustain development, growth, and trade. Access to technology can further interconnect the world and provide equal access to opportunities and knowledge, as well as promote international trade. The goal emphasizes the importance of international trade in achieving a universal, rules-based, and equitable trading system that is fair and open and benefits all.
Thanks for diving right into what SDG 17 is all about. The fashion industry is deeply interconnected and deeply complex, so I can see how partnerships, collaboration, and communication are vital in inflicting positive change. I recently read this on the United Nations website. Partnerships for Sustainable Development are multi stakeholder initiatives voluntarily undertaken by governments, intergovernmental organizations, major groups, and other stakeholders. SDG 17 recognizes multi stakeholder partnerships as important vehicles for mobilizing and sharing knowledge, expertise, technology, and financial resources to support the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals in all countries, particularly developing countries. The fashion industry is fueled by its stakeholders: businesses, employees, customers, intermediaries, and more. Therefore, multi stakeholder partnerships would involve between, say, business and customers, customer and employees, such as garment workers, businesses and intermediaries, such as D-Sphere Technology, transportation and shipment systems, etc., and so on and so forth. Uh, why are these partnerships so vital? What benefits do partnerships have for stakeholders?
You said it yourself. Partnerships are important vehicles for mobilizing and sharing knowledge, expertise, technologies, and financial resources to support the SDGs globally. In the fashion industry, partnerships can promote sustainable development and systems change, transparency, innovation, investment, and impact purpose technologies, and overall evolution for a truly greener industry. Partnerships benefit people as we need human connection and communication to thrive. We need to share and amplify our ideas and connect with people to learn, help each other, and grow. It is important that we form global partnerships and communicate to understand the needs and interests of people everywhere, especially as critical issues such as the climate crisis impact everyone, everywhere.
True. So, how does D-Sphere play a role in this SDG?
DSphere promotes a shared economy, a marketplace, granting customers the ability to share impact, buy, sell, and create. The platform allows an array of creators to share their work and express their creative processes, gratitude, stories, ideas, and the stories on the module. The technology acts as a means to further interconnect our world on a personal level. Through this connection, businesses such as Dana can better cater to the wants and needs of all stakeholders, people, and the planet as we transition to a more circular and sustainable future. Since DSphere technology interconnects all stakeholders through technology for the sharing of stories and knowledge, and opens doors in both the private and public sectors, Recycling, involved in the public sector, has an opportunity to grow, benefit, and connect with other stakeholders through the dSphere platform. We need facilities that can distill textile waste to virgin-like material to circulate back into the market. Although upcycling is favorable to recycling, both are important in a circular framework. Opportunity exists for companies that can buy and or collect, clean, sort, and sell second life materials for upcycling purposes through the platform's materials library. Opportunities also exist for customers to create upcycled fashion brands through the technology. For fashion brands to implement upcycling source materials from a range of businesses, textile collection and sorting facilities, curated used and clean textile sources, recycled textile businesses, and also individuals. For all people with access to the technology to connect, create, buy, sell, and share stories, and share gratitude to those creating their clothing. Partnerships can be transformed and formed between all parts of the fashion industry to promote sustainability and a more just and environmentally friendly system for all.
I understand dSphere's mission to make circular fashion accessible via a digital platform that allows people to reuse, repurpose, and recreate dead stock and second life materials into fresh new designs. The D stands for digital fashion in the digital economy, and sphere symbolizes diversity and inclusion in a just and equitable sharing economy, a representation of the circular world. Dana's CEO, Shamini Dana, is a lifelong advocate for giving the unheard worker a voice. We work with a number of partners that are invaluable to the co-creation process of dSphere, and as a collective, we seek to bridge the divide in this world through stakeholder representation, technology, fashion, creative expression, and Dana's pledge to net zero 2030. Are there even more ways dSphere can even connect to the world of fashion?
Thanks for adding a bit more about dSphere technology. dSphere is democratizing fashion, giving everyone in the industry a voice through technology. It is developing an intelligent system for brands and customers to be the platform of choice in the world of circular fashion to impact social and environmental justice. To add to the interconnections, dSphere creates NFTs using digital fashion. This offers a new layer of global connection and the global economy through technology. Customers everywhere with access to technology can contribute to the global economy, trace ownership of products, recirculate and create and share patented designs prior to manufacturing. Technology uses fashion as a means of storytelling, which further connects people to their garments and those creating them, their own creativity, the environment, and other people. The ability to tell a fashion story on the platform, whether that is through the second life materials you're uploading, the design you've created, or the upcycled piece you're purchasing, is a fun and exciting way for people to connect, spread awareness and gratitude, and pay their values forward. Connecting with garment workers through the platform is a direct global partnership. With most clothing purchased in the US made overseas, this partnership opens doors for transparency, communication, and accountability, as well as diverse fashion stories and change within the industry for the betterment of garment workers.
That is a lot of partnership and a lot of inspiration. I cannot wait to see the fashion industry transform into something sustainable and beneficial for all stakeholders. And I'm glad to be a part of such an important change. Learning and caring are some of the first steps to making positive impact. So if you're watching this and eager to make change, congratulations. Facing our world's issues, it clearly isn't something we can change alone. Support, transparency, collaboration, accountability, and of course, Dana's 5 Cs that we will discuss shortly are so important in creating the positive change we want to see in the world.